Hello, 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 this is Fast Eddie here. So today we're going to show you how to use what's called a quick set smart key reset cradle. Model number KS83260-001. It's a long model number. But anyways, what we use this for is quick set rekeyable deadbolts and knobs, the smart key kind. So we take the clip off the back side of it, it's a chrome clip, slide the cylinder through the front. We have no keys, that's why we need to put it into the device to reset it. This device, you actually turn it clockwise all the way to this little circle. It's actually a keyhole with a smart key symbol on it to show you where to start. There's 3 female slots on here to fit the cylinder to slide in. So it slides in perfectly. Now all you have to do is hold the bottom nice and tight and then hold the top nice and tight, and they twirl against each other. So I'm going to turn it counterclockwise all the way till it stops, and now it's ready to reprogram. You take your red reprogramming tool, slide it in the little hole there, and you'll push in and you'll feel click. So now the cylinder is ready to be rekeyed, reprogrammed if you will. You slide the new key in there and you turn it back and forth and it's reset. Now your lock cylinder is rekeyed and reset. Slide it back into the housing, it's in there. And put your little clip back on there. Now your deadbolt's ready to go. So that's our quick set smart key reset cradle. They typically go for about $25. So I pick up a few of them because they have been known to break. Because if you run into a bad cylinder that's broken and you put it through here and you crank on it, you're going to break this device. And it's not a big deal. They're cheap enough, you can replace them very quickly. They only sell them at locksmith wholesalers and online. They do not sell them at hardware stores. So that is your smart key reset cradle KS83260-001. Thank you for joining me today. This was Fast Eddie. Bye-bye.